everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I bought the new Jaclyn Hill palette, and I have the Ring the Alarm, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on this palette while using this palette. So if you've seen my previous video doing the swatches, I will link that below. But here are the different shades, and I think that it is perfect for fall. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the ColourPop concealer to prime my eyelids. Then I'll be using the ColourPop setting powder. This is the translucent to set my concealer. So let's get to the palette. Let's see, I think I'm going to use this shade as my transition color. Let's see, I'm gonna use this color right here. This is the Rush. And then the next shade I'm going to use is this shade, the Bomb Ass. The next shade I'm going to use, I'm gonna try the Siren, this color next to the Bomb Ass. I don't know, it's just so weird for me to say that name, you know, the color or the name of that shade, Bomb Ass. The next color I'm going to try to use, let's see, let's do the Boom, which is this shimmery metallic color. Spray the brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna try that color again. There we go, now we're talking. So I'm gonna go back with the color Siren. So I'm going to use the frame as my eyeliner. Doesn't really show, but whatever, that's okay. So I'm going to do my eyelashes. I'll be back. I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm gonna do foundation and all that, and I'll be right back. Alright folks, I am back, and then I'm going to finish up my look by applying lipstick. So I'm gonna use the Petal Matte lipstick, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So it is a nude color. So here is the final look using the Jaclyn Hill, collaborated with Morphe, and Yes, so I love this palette, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys like this eye makeup look using again the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. So I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye!